Bullish compound comp cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $273.02 and $515.70 by 2030. Market investigators accept comp could reach $212.35 by 2025. Negative compound market cost expectation for 2023 is $48.54. Compound comp presentation. The stage utilizes shrewd agreements to collateralize client property and afterward mints C tokens which can be utilized to get against the fundamental resources. This permits clients to acquire interest on their property without selling them. The stage is based on Ethereum and all C tokens are ERC20 tokens. This implies that they can be handily exchanged on trades or utilized in different applications. The group behind Accumulate is endeavoring to make it the go-to-put for acquiring interest on your crypto possessions. The group is continually adding new elements and growing its range. Build could turn into the foundation of the DeFi environment later on, permitting clients to acquire interest on their computerized resources without any problem. What is Compound Comp? Buildcoin is a decentralized loaning convention on the Ethereum blockchain that empowers clients to procure interest on their cryptographic money possessions. The convention permits clients to get and loan digital currency resources, as well as to exchange them on a decentralized trade on the crypto market. The Build convention is intended to be used by designers of decentralized applications (dApps) who wish to offer their clients the capacity to acquire interest on their advanced resource property. Along these lines, Compound can be considered a currency market for digital currencies. The local badge of the Compound convention is Comp, which is utilized to pay expenses related with acquiring and loaning exercises on the stage. Comp tokens are additionally used to oversee choices made about the bearing of the Compound convention. Clients who take part in the organization by one or the other getting or loaning resources are compensated with comp tokens. Along these lines, comps act as a motivation for clients to give liquidity to the organization. What reason does the comp token perform? The local digital money and administration token for the Compound stage, as other DeFi frameworks, is called Comp. The future way of Compound might be picked by its clients by casting a ballot utilizing comp tokens on the organization. The convention, depository, and other interior activities of the environment are moreover open to all comp holders. What makes Compound exceptional is that it permits clients to get and loan straightforwardly from each other without the requirement for an incorporated mediator. This makes it feasible for clients to procure interest on their crypto resources without selling them in view of least worth. Likewise, Build utilizes a calculation to change loan costs in light of the organic market of every particular resource in the loaning pool in view of the value activity of the resource. This assists with guaranteeing that clients generally approach the most serious financing costs. At last, Compound has underlying securities against cost unpredictability, implying that borrowers won't ever need to stress over unexpected cost variances. C tokens. With the utilization of these C tokens, moneylenders and borrowers might settle on the states of an exchange similarly as they would at a bank. However, a few of the techniques engaged with applying for a typical mortgage are abbreviated by the Compound strategy. The credit terms are remembered for the convention and C tokens, so clients don't have to sign any desk work or present an authority advance application. In light of these preset-savvy contracts, choices are made, for example, how much interest is paid. Compound Comp current cost. Compound is as of now worth $60.67 USD. Comp has moved 411% as of now with an exchanging volume of $29,355,647. Compound is as of now position 128 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $498.76,977 USD. Using the overall strength file RSI, moving weighted normal MWA, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling disparity MACD from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Compound Comp to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize continuous Compound Comp market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. Compound Comp Value Forecast 2023. Compound, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The comp cost figure for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $91.01. Likewise, with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be slow, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $84.94 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is doable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. Comp is supposed to have a base worth of $72.80. Compound Comp Value Forecast 2024. In 2024, compound comp cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of comp will before long outperform $151.68. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the comp's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, comp will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $121.34 and a typical exchanging cost of $133.47. Compound comp value expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $212.35 and comp might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Comp is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $194.14 and a low of $182.01 in 2025. Compound comp value forecast 2026. In the event that compound effectively helps market opinion among digital money fans, the comp coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, comp will be green in 2026. The comp is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $273.02, with a base cost of $242.68 and a typical cost of $254.82. Compound comp value forecast 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the comp cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $315.49 by 2027, with a base cost of $303.35 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, comp has a greatest value worth of $333.69. Compound comp value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep, carrying the typical cost to around $376.16. In the event that comp figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $394.36. Neglecting to assemble the help comp needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $364.02. Compound comp value forecast 2029. While comp is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been put at $424.69 and a yearly cost close above $455.03 in 2029. Compound comp value forecast 2030. By 2030, compound will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $485.36 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $515.70, averaging out at $497.50. In end, the comp token is an ERC20 viable symbolic that permits clients to stake and get prizes for taking part in the administration of the compound convention. The comp token can likewise be utilized to open specific elements on the compound convention, for example, casting a ballot on